T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have ignition and liftoff of the United Launch Alliance Atlas V rocket, carrying the proto-flight mission for Amazon's Project Kuiper.
Weights look good. It is maneuver as expected. Not ready. Oh. One minute in, everything looking good.
You're hearing the voice of Rob Gannon providing launch vehicle ascent
now
data.
4 miles in altitude, 0.3 miles downrange. Traveling at 1,250 miles per hour. Everything looking good. Mach 1. Vehicle's now supersonic. Max Q. That's it, max in at pressure. Coming up on our first throttle segment. And the first throttle segment's been engaged. Everything's good. What we're looking for is a closed loop of guides. Operating normal. Closed loop guidance is in. Everything's looking good. Coming up on our next throttle phase, we'll be limiting the vehicle acceleration to 2.5 Gs for payload bearing jets. Holding acceleration at 2.5 Gs, everything looking good. Inside of 2 minutes to BECO. Everything looking good. Engine operating as expected. Smooth body rates. And vehicles pass through the Kármán line. We have exited the Earth's atmosphere. Coming up on fairing jet, we've had fairing jettison and CLFR deck jettison. Everything looks good, nice and smooth. We are throttling up. Inside of 1 minute to BECO. And we are less than a quarter of our liftoff weight at this time. And starting our 4G throttling, our G limiting phase of the mission. 30 seconds to BECO. And boost phase chill has been in progress. Engine temperatures are reducing as expected. Coming up on BECO, and we have cutoff. Everything looks good. we had pre-start on fuel and locks. We had good staging, ignition, and full thrust. The Arlton is up and running normally. Seeing good steady state operating parameters. We've gone to fixed angles on the PU system. Seeing the expected response and operating parameters on the engine, making the lock control system. Temperatures are converging on bottle temp as expected. And we are now in the middle of a 10-minute, 12-second nominal burn of Centaur. We'll have a single burn to spacecraft separation.
This is Atlas Mission Control at T plus 5 minutes, 45 seconds. We just heard flight commentator Rob Gannon confirm the successful completion of the early phase of today's flight, and all systems continue to operate nominally. At this time, we'll end our live coverage. For more information on the Atlas V, visit ulalaunch.com. I'm Amanda Sterling, and thank you so much for joining us this afternoon. For one last look at today's liftoff, let's cut over to a look at the liftoff of the Atlas V rocket carrying the proto-flight mission for Amazon's Project Kuiper. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have ignition and liftoff of the United Launch Alliance Atlas V rocket carrying the proto-flight mission for Amazon's Project Kuiper.
Operated